It's time to create your very own ePortfolio. First off, whether you're a Mac user or a PC user, the usable browsers are going to be either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Once you have opened one of those browsers, head to the BHCC website at www.bhcc.edu. From there, you're going to scroll to the very bottom of the page and select the ePortfolio link underneath the Life Map label. That link will take you to the Digication login page. On the right-hand side, click the green Login button, and here you can log in using your Bunker Hill credentials. These credentials should be the very same credentials used to access Moodle, your BHCC email, and self-service accounts. If this is your first time accessing Digication, you will probably come to a Terms of Service page, but after you agree to the terms, you'll be dropped here at the dashboard.